In today's video, I'll show you how to sign in to Google Play and how to create a new Google Play Store account. Whether you're setting up a new device or just need a new account, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and open the Google Play Store app. You can find it in your home screen or in the app drawer. If you're not signed in, you'll see a prompt to sign in. Tap on sign in. Now enter your Google account email and tap next. Then enter your password and tap next again. Once you've entered your credentials, you should see a confirmation that you're signed in. You can now access all the apps and features in the Google Play Store. To create a new account, start by opening the Google Play Store app again. Tap on sign in if prompted. Instead of entering existing credentials, look for the option that says Create Account. You'll be asked to choose whether the account is for yourself or to manage a business. Select the option that fits your needs. Now fill in the details, including your name, desired email address, and password. Follow the prompts to continue. You may be asked to verify your phone number or email address. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. After accepting, you'll see a confirmation that your new account has been created. You can now start using the Google Play Store. And that's it. You've successfully signed in to Google Play and created a new Google Play Store account.